Hello, we are going to continue with this second practical module of the GIS for Municipality Management course. In this second practical module, we are going to speak about the the attribute tables. We are going to open the project that we saved in the previous module. So here, and we have the project 1, and we have the only view that we created. So we had different layers. If you remember, you have an orthophoto, then a polygon layer, a line layer, and a point layer. They are shapefile. So we are going to start opening the attribute table of the streets table of San Francisco. We can open the attribute table with different options: secondary button and attribute table, with the layer in active mode, or show attribute table. From here we have the different elements of the layer. So we can select the different elements here, and they are selected on the view. We can select here, and if we have selected records, we can zoom to selection. So we have these streets. We can use the filter, the select by attribute option. So from this option we can select, for example, the street name. We have to double click on the name of the field, then we can press the sign, only one click, and then we can look for the avenue, the street, etc. If we press only one click, we can press the H, for example, and we go to the H letter, and we are going to select the Hudson Avenue, for example. Hudson Avenue, double click, and we have the sentence. As you can see, we can use this sign for strings. Then new set, and we close, and we have the Hudson Avenue selected on the table. There are several records selected here, then down we can find another ones, but there's an option to see them easily. That is the move up selection. If we press this option, we have all the Hudson Avenue records at the beginning of the table, at the top of the table. And we can press zoom to selection to see the avenue. We can see here, I'm going to press to increase the width of the lines, and you can see here the avenue, the Hudson Avenue. Then we can use we can select elements on the table directly. For example, we are going to select the neighborhoods, and then the show attribute table, and we can, if the table is not very big, we can order by one of the fields, for example, sort ascending, and we can see the different registers, and we can look for one of them. For example, we can select the financial district, and we zoom to this option, to this register, the financial district, and we are going to select all the food stores that are inside the financial district. For that, we can use the selection by layer option. Before that, we have to select the elements of the beginning of the first layer. In this case, the financial district, that is the neighborhood that we want to use. Then we have to press the other layer to put it active. I'm going to increase the width, the size of the points. Here you can see the different points. And with the second layer active, we are going to press selection and select by layer. In this case, it's not easy to understand at the beginning, but it's very easy, as you can see now. Select items from active layers. The active layer is the food stores layer that are intersected with and selected items of the layer that we have elements, where we have elements selected, is neighborhoods. So the layer San Francisco neighborhoods. Then we press new set, and if we close, we can see that the elements, the food stores of the financial district are selected. If we open the attribute table, we can see different elements here, and we are going to use the same tool than before, move up selection. We have all the food stores that are in the financial district. If we want to create a new layer, a new shapefile only with these selected elements, we can use the option from the view, layer menu, and then export to, or the same than secondary button and export to. Then we press shapefile, shape format, we press next, and we are going to save, in this case, results, and the name of the layer is financial district food stores. We press open, we have the path and the name of the layer. We press next, the original reference system, the reference system of the view. We press next, and only selected records. If we select all records, all the food stores will be saved, so will be exported. All the layer will be exported. It will be a copy of the origin layer. So only selected records. Then we press export, and we add the layer to the view. So if we remove all the layers, we have only the food stores of the financial district. Then and with this option, we have seen the main functionalities of the attribute tables, and we finish the video in this point. See you in the next model.